Good morning. Let us start our class. Okay.
Last class we have learned what is the use of a launcher. Today, first of all, let us discuss how can we add or remove icons to the launcher. To add an application icon in the launcher, drag and drop the icon from the dash home into the launcher. How can we remove an icon? To remove an icon from the launcher, right click on the icon and select Unlock from Launcher option. I will repeat. To add an icon to the launcher, drag and drop the icon from the dash home into the launcher. To remove an icon from the launcher, right click on the icon and select Unlock from Launcher option. Remember, when we make a right click anywhere on the computer's screen, we will get a pop-up menu. So when you make a right click on the application's icon, you will get a pop-up menu. From that menu, we have to select Unlock from Launcher option. Now, how can we change the size of launcher icons? To change the size of launcher icons, we have to follow 4 steps. First, click System menu icon at the very right of menu bar. Then select System Settings. The System Settings window appears. In the Personal section, click Appearance. Then we will get the Appearance dialog box. Drag the launcher icon slider to increase or decrease the size of the icon. To auto hide the launcher, follow the given steps. Click the System menu icon at very right of menu bar. Select System Settings. The System Settings window appears. And in that window, the Personal section, click Appearance. The Appearance dialog box appears. Now click the Behavior tab and switch Auto Hide the Launcher on. Dash. The dash is used to search for applications, files, music, videos and show the items that you have recently used. When we open a dash icon, we will always get a search bar. To search anything, just start typing in the search bar and related search results will automatically appear. How can we hide this? To hide the dash, click the Ubuntu button again. Dash window. In this dash screen, we can see lenses at the bottom. What are lenses? Lenses allow you to view the dash results and exclude results from other lenses. That means by using lenses, we can sort out the results that we get in dash home screen. Now the menu bar of Linux desktop. The dark strip on the top of the desktop is called menu bar. It contains 3 menus: window management buttons, application menus and status menus. In window management button, minimize button. If you click this button, the window shrinks to the launcher. Maximize button, it is used to increase the size of the window to its maximum. Restore button, it resizes the window back to its original size. And the last close button to close the window. Now the second menu, that is Applications menu. It is located to the right of the window management buttons. Now the third, that is Status menu. There are different status menus on the right side of the menu bar like Clock, System Settings, System menu, Messaging menu, etc. You can use these options to check and modify the state of your computer. Now in page number 22 we can see 3 multiple choice questions. Let us go through that. First question, name the bar located at the top of the desktop, that is menu bar. Second, which of the following is not an operating system? Unix and Linux are operating system. gedit text editor is the answer. Third question, the vertical bar on the left side of the desktop is called launcher. How can we open this calculator? Click Ubuntu button or the dash button. The dash home appears. Type calculator on the search bar. The calculator icon appears. Then click on the icon to open the calculator. We can do calculations by using this software. You must know examples for touchscreen computers. These 3 are the examples: touchscreen tablet, touchscreen smartphone, touchscreen monitor. In page number 25 you can see 3 operating systems. You must know about that and you have to identify the logo of 3 operating systems. Dear students, please go through the docs file. There you can see the questions and answers given in your textbook.
I hope you have understood today's session. So let us see in the next class. Thank you.